The Forevercam protective case for different models of GoPros is one of the coolest things that you can buy for your GoPro. On Amazon, it is slated to work for the Hero 5, 6, 7, and 7 Black. It has several holes for hot shoe and cold shoe mounts. It even has a magnetic back door that locks into place. And a UV filter and lens cap. Assembling the case together will take around 4 to 5 minutes. If you're picky like me, it'll take 10 to 15 minutes if you want to get everything perfectly aligned. What surprised me was that this is advertised with one hot shoe mount. Mine actually came with 2 hot shoe mounts, so now I can mount a light and a microphone onto my GoPro action camera. Once you are done assembling it, you will find that you have some spare parts and spare screws that they left over for your convenience. I am now going to customize this case even more with other attachments I have, such as my pistol handle grip, my light, and my Rode Video Micro microphone. Now it's time to test this thing out.
This is a test of it with the lens cap on. It does have a UV filter as well on the case, and some guy mentioned how he had to put rubber pieces on the inside of his case on the edges because it would clink 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 from the GoPro. The case isn't actually form fitted to the GoPro 100%. It can move around, so I had some rubber pieces from my computer mouse that I ended up putting on it, and as you can tell, you don't hear the clink clink at all. At least I don't hear it. I don't feel the GoPro moving around. It is very bright out, so hopefully the UV filter is going to help reduce the ultraviolet rays in the video. Also, other people were reporting that their GPS and Wi-Fi no longer worked or was very finicky while in the case. Luckily, I don't use GPS or Wi-Fi. I don't know many people that do, but if you do, then that might be an issue for you. You'll have to find another case then.
This case is definitely worth the $32 you can buy it for on Amazon.